Hey guys, I'm here today at Granville Street. This is the pedestrian zone where we closed the whole stretch of Granville here in downtown Vancouver. So go with me and I'll show you around. Today we're heading straight into the biggest party in Vancouver. Granville Street has transformed into a giant FIFA fan zone, packed with cheering crowds, live music, street performers, delicious food, and even people kicking soccer balls right in the middle of the street. Whether you're here for the football or just the amazing atmosphere, you're in for an unforgettable experience. Granville Street in downtown Vancouver, between Georgia and Davie, was transformed into a giant pedestrian-only zone, making it one of downtown Vancouver's biggest public gathering spaces. This street has become selfie central, with soccer-themed art, giant light installations, selfie stations, and interactive displays, made it a popular place for photos. And look who else has joined the fun. It's our very own Jollibee. Now if you haven't visited yet, don't worry. The Granville Street pedestrian zone has been officially extended until September 7, 2026, with ongoing programming after the tournament. Vehicle traffic and buses return on September 12. We came here after work at 7 p.m. During the day, there were games and activities for all ages, while evenings became lively with fans celebrating in the entertainment district. Hi, my name is Philly, your FILIpina connection living in Vancouver. Join me as I explore the Canadian way of life and see how a Filipina is navigating and enjoying her life in Vancouver. We're so fortunate here in Vancouver because Canada is one of the 3 hosts for the FIFA 2026 World Cup. It's so fun to see that fans often brought soccer balls and played impromptu games right on the street. Thousands of supporters and fans wearing the national team jersey gathered to celebrate before and after matches. There are about 28 expanded patios, restaurants, and pubs spilled onto the street with extra seating, making it easy to eat, drink, and watch the action. DJs, musicians, and performers kept the atmosphere lively throughout the day. The World Cup celebrations culminate with a final this Sunday, July 19. It's gonna be Spain versus Argentina, starting at 12 noon.
I'll take your video this time. Times have changed.
What an incredible day! Granville Street truly came alive with fans from all over the world, celebrating the beautiful game. Whether you're a soccer fan or just looking for an amazing Vancouver experience, this is definitely something you shouldn't miss. All that fun in action made us hungry, so we grabbed a quick snack from Dog, a Vancouver original that's famous for putting a Japanese twist on a classic hot dog. For tonight, we got takoyaki and a scoop of aged ice. Here's a fun fact for you. Dog started as a single street cart in Vancouver in 2005 and has become one of the city's most iconic street food, loved by both locals and visitors. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Vancouver adventures, travel guides, and local events. Thanks for watching. Up next, we're heading to Vancouver Island for an unforgettable summer adventure you won't want to miss. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next vlog.